Hello everyone and welcome back to your 14th Adobe After Effects tutorial working with text part 2. In this tutorial we will continue on from your last tutorial and we will animate this text over here. So let's start animating the text right away. In order to animate a text, it is same as we animated the solid. Since this is also a layer, we can just select P on our keyboard, press P, and then you can move the text as you like. So let us apply a certain animation right now. Let's apply the animation to its position, scale, and opacity. So let's hit P on our keyboard, or let's press S on our keyboard. Scale this text, keep scaling. Okay, it is large enough. Now select the layer, press Shift and press T to bring up opacity. Set the opacity at 0. And now hit the stopwatch to create a keyframe at 1 second or 0 seconds. Move to about 1 second or a little less than that. Select opacity as 100 and scale as 100 as well. Let's see how the animation turned out to be. Let us select the keyframe of opacity and move it a little to the right. And now let's check it out. As you can see, we have a cool animation of text coming from behind the camera and into the screen. In order to give more life to it, select the layer, press R on your keyboard, go to the start, R, T and S, go to the start, hit a keyframe, go over here, select 3, and then it will rotate 3 times and then come in. Let's check it out. The rotation is too much. Let's decrease the rotation to back to 1 rotation. Let's play it. As you can see, it is a little more better. Just click on this, enables motion blur for all layers, and then click on the motion blur switch here. And as you know, if we move our hand very fast, we can see multiple images of it, as if we have more than one hands. The same way happens here, and you will see it when we play it. The motion blur does work heavy. As you can see, it is now better. Although it is not much of a difference right now, but it does bring a lot of difference in many situations. So guys, that's it for this tutorial and thank you for watching.